Hello, good morning students. How are you? I hope you're fine and safe. Now children, we were doing the revision of the lesson, the comet part 1. In this lesson we are having two parts, comet 1 and comet 2. It is written by a very famous scientist, Jan Narlikar. So who is the author of this lesson? Jan Narlikar. I don't know whether you have heard about Jayant Narlikar or not, but he is a very famous face. Nowadays, he is a celebrity and many people must have watched his interview in TV. So, he is the person who has written this lesson, and basically he was a astronomer. Now, in this lesson, I told you in Comet 1, there are two parts here, the Comet 1 and Comet 2. We have already revised the Comet 1. Today, I am going to start telling you the background of Comet 2. But before that, I would like to revise some important points. Now, in Comet 1, we have seen that one fellow whose name was Datta Da. Actually, his name was Manoj Datta, but people used to call him Datta Da. Now, he has his own ways to pass his time. He used to pass his leisure time by looking at the stars. Now, he had one wish also, which was fulfilled later. He wanted to have a telescope, and after the retirement, he bought a 8 inches telescope. And the other wish which he wanted to have, he wanted to discover a comet. Finally, he had discovered a comet, and the name of the comet was kept Datta Comet. Well, children, now the comet was discovered by him. He was retired. He was passing his pastime with the help of that telescope which he had bought, and the name of the telescope was kept Divya Chakshu. Well, anyway, his wish was fulfilled. He had become a celebrity person, and now there is a turning point in the story. What is the turning point here? At Cambridge University, two popular persons were there. One was Dr. James Forrest. So there is a turning point in the story. The place here is the Cambridge University, and in the Cambridge University, Dr. James Forrest is there. He is also a scientist, and the other fellow is Mr. John McPherson. Mr. John McPherson. Now both wanted to meet each other. In fact, Mr. John McPherson called Dr. John Forrest because he had discovered something. Dr. John McPherson, he was a defense scientist advisor to the British government. So when he was called by John McPherson, Mr. Forrest, he was called by John McPherson. He came to his cabin. An article which James had written was sent for publication to Nature. Nature is a very famous magazine, and it was very important because James has forewarned that comet Datta would hit the earth and destroy it. So here, children, Dr. James Forrest, he has written an article. And what was in that article? That the comet Datta, which was discovered by Datta Da, that comet is going to collide with the earth. Okay. So this was written by James Forrest. When John McPherson, he has read his article, he became a bit worried, and that's why he called James Forrest to his office. He told it was very important because John has forewarned that comet Datta would hit the earth and destroy it. The collision could be avoided if it got broken into pieces. Now, children, a meeting was called by all the scientists, by all the astronomers. Then many people who could give a good advice related with astronomy. A meeting took place, and finally it was decided in the meeting that what we will do to the comet Datta if it will collide with the earth. Then the result will be disaster. The whole earth will be destroyed, and many people will be killed with that destruction. So how the collision could be avoided? This was supposed to be discussed in the meeting, and if they decided that if that comet will be broken into pieces while coming near the sun. Otherwise, it will destroy the life of many persons on the earth. The tragedy could occur in just 10 months. So it was decided to call an urgent meeting of experts to find out way to save the earth. They had to do something to push the deadly comet out of the way. So children, such was the situation. This all we have read in Comet 1. So I have revised the important points of Comet 1. What are the ones? Again I revise all the important of Comet 1. Datta, he was not a scientist. He was just an ordinary person and he had a hobby. What was his hobby? To buy a telescope and to gaze the stars at night. He also secretly wished that he should find a comet. Well, his wish was fulfilled after the retirement when he got ample amount of money. With that money, he bought 8 inches telescope and the name of that telescope was kept Datta Comet. Well, after some time, he used to gaze to the stars mostly at night. His time was passed in his terrace, almost gazing the stars daily. Well, for after some time, he had traced a faint mark near the star. And finally, he discovered that that was not a star, that is a comet. Well, a scientist was there and his name was Dr. James Forrest. He was the one who had discovered that after 10 months, when this comet will come towards the earth, it will be collided from the earth. It will be collided. Okay, a disaster will take place. Many lives will be lost in that collision. So a meeting of experts was called that how to stop that comet 1 to come and collide with the earth. So this we have read in Comet 1, which is written by Jayant Narlikar, a very famous scientist of India. Now student, we are going to do today Comet 2, the second part of the lesson. So let's start the Comet 2. Now in Comet 2, I would like to discuss the background of the lesson 1. I told you a meeting was being called by Dr. James McArthur, and in that meeting was not an ordinary meeting, it was the international meeting of all the astronomers, space scientists and many others who could discuss about the comet, Datta comet. When the International Conference of Astronomers and Space Scientists discussed the ways to prevent the comet from hitting the earth. I already told you in Comet 1 that it was Dr. Forrest. He discovered that the Comet 1, which will come towards the earth after 10 months, it will hit the earth. That comet will be collided with the earth. And at that time, the earth might be destroyed to pieces and many lives will be lost. Just to avoid that situation, the international meeting was held in Cambridge only. And children, the International Conference of Astronomers and Space Scientists discovers the ways to prevent the comet from hitting the earth. So what was discussed in the meeting, students? It was discussed that how to stop that comet from colliding from the earth. Manoj Datta was also invited in that meeting. So who was Manoj Datta? I told in Comet 1, so Manoj Datta was the person who had found, who was he? He was the person who had found Comet Datta. So he was basically an Indian. He was not an astronomer or scientist, just a simple person, just a common person of our country. He was also invited in the meeting. This issue was kept secret from the press and the people. Children, the thing is that why this meeting was kept secret. So let me tell you why this meeting was kept secret. Because if the press reporter would have been called in the meeting, then what would have happened? They have published this news in the newspaper and the world would be shocked. A feeling of horror would be there all over the world. So that was the reason that it was decided that press reporter will not attend that meeting which was held in the Cambridge. The issue was kept secret from the press and the people, and no common man was there. The expert suggested two ways to meet the challenge. So first of all, what was discussed in the meeting? First point, what was discussed in the meeting is the comet Datta is going to collide with Earth. Is going to collide with the Earth. So this was the first part of the meeting. Second part, how to prevent it. How to prevent it from colliding to the Earth. So these two points were focused in the meeting and it was discussed. Well, now let's see what happened in the meeting. So many experts was there from all over the world. The experts suggested two ways to meet the challenges. So children, here many experts were there. Some were the scientists, some were the astronomers, and they started giving their suggestions in the meeting. What suggestion they gave? How to stop that collision. Otherwise, many people will die if that comet will be colliding from the Earth. The defensive measure was that the people should live in underground bunkers. So children, the first point was that all the scientists of the world decided that an underground bunkers will be there after 10 months. And they will be start preparing that bunker from now onwards. So after 10 months, that bunkers will be underground bunkers will be ready, and people will go and hide when the collision of that comet will take place on Earth. But then it was discussed in the meeting that it might not be possible, because then they have to arrange for a lot of things like sewer, water problem, electricity, shops, gyms, okay. So many things have to be shifted there. Roads will be built there, so many things. So it was not possible that after 10 months such a changes should be there. So that idea was dropped. And it was not much practicable also. The other course was to take offensive action. It means that the comet should be given a push and made to change its path. Now children, the other option was also there, that when the comet will be coming towards the sun, from the sun towards the earth, that comet should be pushed. Now how to push a comet? Pushing a comet is not an easy thing. Oh, but this idea was liked by many scientists and astronomers, that if the comet will be pushed to some other ways, then the earth will not be destroyed and made to change its path. When that comet will be pushed a little, it will change its path, and hence what will happen? The earth will not be destroyed and the life of many people will be saved. Finally, a timetable was drawn for the operation. So this idea was liked and admired by all the scientists and the astronomers who were present in the meeting. Now children, the first step was there. What was the first step? A timetable was drawn for the operation. So first children, a timetable was prepared that what things should be done. It was code named Project Light Brigade. And children, instead of calling that timetable, a code name was given to that timetable. And what was the name of that project? Project Light Brigade. So let me write it. This is the spelling. Project Light Brigade. So children, this was the name of the project. Okay, on this project, now the timetable of this project, the schedule for this project was made. So let's see what was there in the schedule. On October 10th. Now children, you have to remember all these dates, because in the long question, if long question will come in the examination, then you have to get prepared. You have to learn all this date. So now children, let's start telling you. I will be writing some dates here on the board and you can note it down. Okay. So first date was given 10th October. What was the first date given and decided by all the scientists of the world? It was October 10th. On this day, the spacecraft with nuclear material was to be sent. So children, finally children, what was decided by all the scientists of the world? It was decided that when the comet will come towards the earth, so to avoid its collision from the earth, it will be pushed. It will be pushed by some missile, and the comet will change its path automatically. And for that, now a schedule is being prepared. So what is the first date of the schedule? The first date of the schedule was fixed on October 10th. And what was to be done on that day? The spacecraft with nuclear material was to be sent. The spacecraft, listen carefully, the spacecraft with the nuclear material was to be sent. It would meet the comet on November 15. The next date was, students, November 15. What is the next date? November 15. So first date was October 10 and second date is November 15. Now what was planned for November 15? That the spacecraft, it would meet the comet on November 15 and try to push and destroy it in case the experiment failed. Now children, if positive result would have been there, fine. But the scientists also are prepared for the negative result. So it is also discussed in the meeting, it was discussed, if the result were experiment failed, then what would have done? So the comet would hit the earth on December 15. If succeeded, this was the day comet would pass by at a near but safe distance. And children, if it would be successful, then the comet would not be destroyed. It would change its path. It would go towards the safe distance. Sir John Macpherson told Datta that he would not buy any present for Christmas till 15 December. Now children, 25 December is the day when the whole world celebrates the festival of Christmas. Now, but the scientists were so worried that the main scientist, Mr. J. Macpherson, he told that he will not buy any gift of Christmas till he get the success. Because he knew if he will not get the success, he knew the result. Not only he, the whole world, in fact the whole world will be destroyed and many people will die. So he told his Datta Babu that he will not buy any gift till December 15. If their project will be successful, then only he will buy gift for Christmas and he will celebrate the festival with lot of in a gala way. Well, this was the day the comet would pass by at a near but safe distance. Sir John Macpherson told Datta that he would not buy any present for Christmas till December 15. Well children, Datta returned home from England. So he returned home from England. He was welcomed warmly by his family member, but he was surprised to see some ceremony going on under a tent. Now children, what do you think? What was happening? His wife was there, and I told you though she was a postgraduate lady, but she was very superstitious. She believed in all sort of superstitions. At that time in India, a superstitious belief was there that if a person will go abroad, I mean to say if a person will go to some foreign country or abroad and if he will cross the sea, then he would face bad luck. Now her husband was called in the conference of the scientists, okay, and it was a matter of pride for everybody, but his wife was feeling very much worried because he had crossed the sea and she is thinking that misfortune will befall on him. So he had done some religious, she has kept a religious ceremony, which Datta Babu did not like at all, because he never used to believe in all this superstitious thing. Well, what happened when he came there from London, he was surprised. He did not like it at all when somebody told him that his wife has kept for his safety. Well, he did not say anybody in front of anybody to his wife, but later on he showed that she is simply wasting a money. He got a bit annoyed and angry with her. Well, on November 18, now what happened on November 18? He received a message from Sir John that the operation was successful. The most happiest thing was that he had received a letter from the scientist. And what was the letter he received? He received that he had got success, and now definitely he will buy the gift for Christmas. He will celebrate the Christmas in a gala way. So Datta was in a regular touch with Sir John. The letters contain subtle hints about the progress of the children project. Till now, what Datta was doing, he was daily inquiring the progress of the project. The threat seemed very much real, and children, he felt the threat that the planet, the comet will definitely hit the earth. So he was also very worried. And in mid-operation, when the operation began, he was in constantly touch with the scientists, with the children, with the defense person who was invited by him only. Okay, by Mr. John Macpherson, and he was constantly in touch with John Macpherson. Datta kept constant watch on the comet, but he could not share his anxiety with anyone. On November 18, finally, he received a message from Sir John that the operation was successful and he was going to buy Christmas present. On 15 December, the comet came close to the earth, some 80,000 kilometers away. Millions saw it, but no one knew the story. Millions saw it, but no one knew the story, children. Well, on 15 December, the comet came closer to the earth, some 80,000 kilometers away. Many people saw it, but nobody knew the story. Now, children, let me ask you, what was in the story? What was in the story, children? The story was that the planet, there might be a collision of the planet, and just to save that collision, a operation has started. Okay, and what was the name of the project? Project Light Brigade was there. This is the name of the project, Project Light Brigade. This project was started by a group of scientists and astronomers. Many people came there, and finally what happened? Finally, children, a good news was received from John Macpherson to Datta. He was relieved. He knew the internal story that now people were very happy to see the comet, which was 80,000 kilometers away. But in reality, he was thinking how happy the people are, but they don't know the inner thing. How difficult it would happen for scientists to put that comet from its path away. How difficult would have been for the scientists to change the path of this planet. So millions saw it, but no one knew the story. Datta told his wife with satisfaction that the comet had gone without causing any disaster. Now, children, Datta was very happy. He told his wife that the comet had crossed the earth without any disaster. Indrani Devi gave all credit to the Shanti Yagya performed by their grandson, 8-year-old Khokha, on his behalf. Now, children, I told you when Datta Babu returned from England, okay, he saw a puja, a religious ceremony was going in his house, and that was performed by his wife. So what happened? Datta, he was a bit annoyed But then his wife told us for the peace and satisfaction, she is doing all that thing. A belief was there at that time, whoever will go abroad, they will, and if they will return from there, the destiny, the misfortune may befall on them. So children, just because of that, his wife told, she is doing that puja. And in fact, the grandson of Datta Babu, 8-year-old Khokha, he was sitting on behalf of Datta Babu and performing all the religious rituals. Well, so it was Indrani Devi who is giving this credit to the religious ceremony, to the puja which was performed by Datta Babu, the 8-year-old Khokha. Datta now saw the gap between the scientist and the superstitious attitude. Now children, now he had seen Datta Babu, he had seen both the phases. He had seen how anxiously the scientists were working and how grand success they got. Okay, how many scientists were involved, physicists, astrophysicists, astronomers, scientists, okay, so that to move that comet Datta from its path. And here this lady, his wife, she is telling, I have prayed, okay, just because of my prayer, this all has happened. Now he don't know who really is leading. It is a prayer or it was the efforts of the scientists, though Datta Babu believed that it was all the effort of the scientists which happened, which due to that he got a good news. So Datta now saw the gap between the scientist and the superstitious attitude. Perhaps human society would not grow out of blind belief and silly religious ritual. So he is telling, perhaps human society would not grow out of blind beliefs and silly religious rituals. So children, these were all the important points of the lesson. Okay. And let me tell you children, what action was needed to be taken to meet the challenges of the new comet. So children, the expert at the conference discussed two ways to save human life. What was that? One was defensive measure and the other was offensive measure. This is important children. So how to save the life of other? One was defensive measure and the other was offensive measure. The people could be told to live in underground bunkers until the comet passed. The other step was to push the comet from its course with the help of nuclear power. This operation was codenamed Project Light Brigade. Now children, let me ask you one thing. What according to you, what do you think is proper? For that comet was deviated from its way. So was it the prayer of Indrani Devi, the religious ritual of Indrani Devi, it was due to that, or was it children the laborious efforts of the scientist? This you have to think, and this we can discuss in the online class. Okay, this we will be thinking and we will be discussing in the online class. Now another thing, Datta and the defense advisor became close friends and shared a secret. Okay, so this is also a great thing. Such a great advisor. He became a close friend of Datta Babu because of his sweet and frank nature. He was a simple nature person without any show. So Sir John McPherson was the British defense advisor. He was shaken by the prediction of James Forrest about Comet Datta. The two were confident in each other. They became friends, waiting for the success of Project Light Brigade. It was a secret operation. Sir John did not want the people to know about the approaching comet and its consequence. And why he did not want to know? Because there will be chaos in the world. People will be frightened to listen all this thing. Okay, they will not live peacefully till the comet come. and because of so many speculation, the people will lose their peace of mind. So he thought that it would be good if he will not tell all these things to the people. Well, children, how science has been useful to us? In this case, how science is useful to us? So in this case, one children, it was by Dr. Forrest. He was a science student, he was a scientist, and he told a collision might take place. And the other was the group of scientists, astronomers, and other people who decided that children how to move the comet from its orbit. So you can see that nowadays science it has proved very useful for us. Otherwise, many life at the earth would have been destroyed. So with this, I complete my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.